Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about the detailed check command. It's been added which checks for either panels, trusses or joists in the layout that have not been built yet. So let's say we have a project like this where it's a multi-story home and we've added some extra frames due to design changes. And so let's say we want to check which frames those are, which ones haven't been sent to the detail sheet yet. And so to do that, we can run the DC command, which is for detail check, and we can press enter to activate it. And so I can choose to either select a set of frames by highlighting it. So we can see it says 40 entities, and I can press enter. And so it's going to only highlight those frames here. So I can see this asterisk here has highlighted all the frames. It says 8 walls not sent to our detail sheet. Or I can repeat this command and I can press enter to do a global selection, and it will run through all my layouts and check which frames have not been detailed or built yet. And so we can see here we've got 8 walls and 9 joists not detailed yet. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.